Hey everyone, this is Dr. Mary Alford. Thanks for joining me. And in this video, I'm going to tell you a little bit about this channel and a little bit about my background so you have a good idea who I am and what I'm bringing to the table. So thanks for joining me. Click the like button, click the little bell for upcoming videos, leave comments if you have questions. So my goal is to bring helpful and practical information to you as an educator and a professional. I believe that learning is a part of growing. Learning something new can bring a whole new perspective to life, even if it's the smallest of things. I've been teaching college for over a decade and I love helping students. So I'm looking forward to being able to share information that'll be helpful to you, maybe save you money, be able to direct you in just different things. Maybe you never had the idea about going back to college. Maybe you didn't really want to go to a liberal arts college because you had to learn math and writing and everything else. That maybe you just wanted to learn some basic information. So I'm here to fill that need. So in this channel, I'm developing helpful educational tutorials in areas that I've done a lot of work in, both professionally and academic. A little bit about myself. I have several degrees. My first degree is in fashion, my undergraduate. I learned proper sewing techniques and tailoring, a little bit about business, merchandising, textiles. And that was a long time ago, but I have put a lot of that into practice. After a long time out being in the real world and working out in industry, I went back to school after 20 years and earned my master's of business administration, an MBA. And then most recently, I finished up my doctorate of business administration, which my research was on the apparel manufacturing industry here in the US. I was very excited about that research, and that's kind of what carried me through to complete it. So I created a little short video for you if you'd like to take a look at it about the basics of my research. It's just a couple of minutes long, and you can also view my full dissertation on Google Scholar if you'd like to learn a little bit more about the manufacturing industry here in the US. I'm very passionate about many different things and have lots of experience, both professional and personal. And not so long ago, I actually was listening to this YouTuber. I don't remember his name, I didn't write it down, but he's pretty well known out there, and he's doing well for himself. And he said he was tired of going to college and listening to professors talk about business or how to start business and never had a business. But I'm here to tell you that I'm creating content based on both on experience and education. And I think that's why I did or have done so well teaching on a college level, because I'm able to bring both a professional outlook, because I have 35 plus years of professional experience, everything working in corporate banking to textiles to retail to owning a couple of businesses, running businesses. So I have a broad spectrum of information, and I just love doing new things and love being able to share that information with other people. So like I said, I'm creating this content based on experience and education. So I'm going to be creating, in the process of creating educational tutorials. I want to start off with some things that I know really well, which is design and construction of clothing and apparel, or sewing. We're going to start with beginners and work our way through on up to moderate to mediocre to really good to professional levels. So we're going to do a whole array of different kinds of short tutorials on sewing and design. Hoping to do some product reviews and even maybe reach out and doing some of the research and writing and things that if you are in education and you're just maybe starting a dissertation or writing a thesis, I'm hopefully going to be able to do some different types of videos. At least that's what I'd like to do. However, I am going to leave it up to the audience. So as you read and review my different videos, if there's something that you'd like to see and maybe you'd like me to elaborate on or share with you, please leave it in the comments. I am happy to take a look at it. And if I have that experience and expertise, I am more than happy to share it with you. So I want to thank you and welcome you, and I'm excited about serving you and helping you grow, because I believe education is empowering. So for those of you who are just joining us, thank you. And hit the like button, leave comments, and I just look forward to working with you. And I hope you have a great day, and thank you.